Setting up a software or IT business in Poland, is it too late? Well, you are late, but the music is still playing. So let's get you on board and grab the opportunity for your software business in Poland. Why Polish IT and software development environment is so popular amongst foreign investors? I would say it's all about the people and the talent pool. Polish software developers are consistently ranked amongst the best. HackerRank lists them as number 3 in the world, while top coders as number 4. But that's not all. All other ICT prominent nationalities are working and living here in Poland. That includes Ukrainians, Belarusians, and Georgians. As a result, Poland, with a talent pool of nearly 600,000 ICT professionals, stands out as one of the most dynamic and competitive tech ecosystem in the world. Does Poland offer incentives for international software companies setting up locally? Absolutely. Poland offers powerful incentives designed specifically for IT and software investors. Just to name few of them. Estonian CIT, which means 0% tax rate on reinvested profit. IP Box, that provides just 5% income tax on IP creation. Polish Investment Zone, that secures up to 15 years of tax exemptions for new investors. R&D relief, that furnishes you with 200% tax deductibility or R&D expenses. KUP 50, which means additional 50% of tax deductibility for your software engineers. In addition to that, your company can benefit from numerous EU and local grants. How do you get started with a software company business in Poland? The good news is you don't need any special license to start a software business in Poland. The first step is to decide whether you want to open a local company or a branch. Around 95% of foreign investors choose to set up an LLC, which is a limited liability company. And that is because it offers liability limitation and high level of flexibility. Much smaller number of companies, usually from regulated sectors such as banking or finance, go for branch structure instead. For software houses, we almost always recommend LLC. It is flexible, easy to maintain, and can be incorporated just fully online. In most cases, we can get your Polish company up and running within a couple of days. How to hire IT professionals and software developers in Poland? It is really straightforward. As soon as your company is registered, we can start hiring right away. Most of IT talents in Poland are recruited through popular job portals or specialized tech recruiters. You can hire software developers either on B2B contract, as contractors, as it is the most common legal form of engagement in IT sector, hitting approximately 65% of contracts, or under a standard employment contract. What else shall I know about running an IT business in Poland? There are a couple of topics that you should familiarize yourself with. Not to waste time here, just read through our Polish software development guide, available here. Specifically concentrate on accounting regime for software companies, transfer pricing and intercompany agreement rules, VAT refund mechanism, which is very typical for software houses, and modes of company financing in Poland. So let's wrap it up. Poland, bring your business here and watch it skyrocketing.